Hey there everybody, PC here, bringing the 20th episode of Gex Enter the Gecko. So, in the last episode we did our first secret level, Lava Dabba Doo. Now we're going for the next one, which has an amazing name, Texas Chainsaw Manicure. Oh, I love that one, I love it. Have you guys watched that horror movie series? It's not that bad, I guess.
The real estate wizardry of Tom Vu at work.
Honestly, he should have made a Hogwarts reference if he's going with wizardry. I know there's that, but I think I should. Oh my God! Look at this picture. Look at that. Is there one on the upside? Let me see. Oh, that looks menacing. That actually looks menacing. Yee! They actually move. They actually move. Oh, look, Dracula. Anyway, yeah, I think this is where. Yeah, I have a hunch this is the area. Okay, I was right. Nice! Old memories kicking in. Let's go. Just like last time, there is a secret. Oh my God! These pictures. Oh, that's the same one. I love watching them. Let's see. Was there anything out there? There? I feel like there is. Let's go and here we go. There's the tape, just like we said. Or whatever this is called. I honestly don't know what these are called. Let me know what are they called. Yeah, I know they use them for movies and all that, but yeah. Let's see. Ooh, nice. I know. I love these. I love watching portraits and pictures of this in these levels. Oh God. Let's see. Oh my God, this is the worst picture ever. Look at it. It's gruesome. They let kids see this? Oh, come on.
The Imperial fleet will follow us into a floating furniture field.
Oh, his brain is removed. Alright, left or right? Left or... Oh, I don't think there is anything over here. Oh, wait. Ah, I thought I hit it. I thought I did. Different colored tables. Never a good sign. Oh, portrait. I love watching these. Oh, okay. That's good. That's good. The demons, all that. This is wonderful. This door, or should I continue? This door, should I continue? You know what? Let's try this door. Let's try this door. Yes, this is a maze. I love that. I love that. Ah! Whoa, there was a bat here? That's new. Yo, Frankie, don't fuss. Prison life is not that bad. Okay. No. Bring out the fire. Spit out your fire first. Then we're gonna beat you up. There we go. This isn't I didn't just go around, did I? I don't think so, but let's take care of this guy so he doesn't annoy me in the future. And we also get a life. Nice! We need those. We lost quite a few in Lava Dabba Doo. Alright, axe. Ooh, 2 axes. You know what they say? You want to make things harder? You add more axes, right? And I did not jump. Why did I not jump? I can make this. I can do this. There really is no point to that first table, is there? Come on. We can do this. Slow and steady wins the race. You're telling me I'd never needed to go there? And this is... I released Frankie. I'm such a good person. I released my friend from prison. What have you guys done for your friends lately? Go, release them from prison. No, don't do that. That's a bad idea. But I released Frankie from prison. Now get out of my face. Chucky! Hello, Chucky. Dead Chucky. Now, you know, this actually makes a good carpet. This actually makes a good rug. I'm just walking. I honestly was not focusing on anything. I was just walking. Let's see, anything over here? No, that's just residue from down there. Let's go. There's also another over there.
The real estate wizardry of Tom Vu at work.
Okay, that's 4 health. Okay. There are so many routes in this level. I love it. I love the maze in a haunted house.
Taste my tail.
Yeah, tasted good. Alright, let's see. Where have we gone to? I just love how the tables are just randomly doing this. I wonder if is following my picture like that the right way.
What are you gonna do?
Okay, let's go up the stairs since this is the safer route. Let's see. Frankie, this is not the time to listen to your mixtape, alright? Leave me alone. Alright, here we go. It's going to spin. It did not for me, alright. I just picked the perfect timing.
Pay the gravity bill?
Okay, I thought that was a pit. I would, did not have to jump there. Why did you jump, Prime? Why? Okay, I just saw this. What is this? Let's go. Take me up, take me up, take me to a good, safe area where I can be,
Sweet,
well...
like candy.
Yeah, sweet like candy, exactly. Okay, that was just for more stuff. Alright, I can make this, I can do this, and I found the remote! Let's go! Horror mazes, yeah, they don't stand a chance. Okay, I'm gonna skip that, no need to spoil you guys for that. The cutscene will be at the end of the episode, don't you guys worry. Wait, I'm really going through these, aren't I? So, this is it for us, guys. Thank you guys for watching the episode. Leave a like, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, click all the bell for notifications. And you can follow me on Twitter at PC_PrimeChamp, and the link will be in the description for your one-click need. So, next episode, finale of the series. Hope you guys enjoyed that one as well. See you guys later.
Ancient Chinese secret, huh?